Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video covers a couple days of just getting things done here and there, slowly but surely. Getting ready for back to school. I have some new things for the house and I'm doing a little bit of organizing today, so let's get started.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent.
I'm just warning you guys, this video is really random. We're getting a lot of little projects done around the house. Hopefully you guys will get some motivation anyway, and I hope you enjoy it.
Stay me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight.
So obviously we haven't started decorating our bedroom yet, but that will come with time. We need to hang those mirrors up on the wall still over our nightstands. We still have to put up blinds and curtains, and I am throwing around the idea of putting a little seating area in here, maybe like 2 chairs and like a little table in between. I'm also thinking about putting some kind of artwork or something over there by my desk, because that is like a really big blank wall. So you guys will definitely see any changes or updates that we make.
You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight.
So I originally came downstairs to start sorting the kids' school supplies, but I saw dishes in the sink. Then I started emptying out the dishwasher so that I can get those dishes out of the sink. Either way, I have my camera, so I decided to film, and after this, we'll do the school supplies.
It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue.
So I ordered the kids' school supplies from Target.com this year. It was just so much easier doing it that way. I ordered everything based off the general list from the school's website, but once we go to open house and get the teacher's list for her classroom and her wish list, then I'll do another order and get all that stuff. But this is all just like their basic things that they're gonna need. I also ordered the kids some custom name labels from Etsy, and I can't wait to get them in. I'm gonna be labeling their notebooks, their pencil cases, their headphones, lunch boxes, things like that.
Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
So right now I'm just gonna separate their school supplies. One is for Brayden and one's for Blake. And then once their labels come in, I'll go ahead and label their folders and things like that. Everything else I'm gonna use a Sharpie and label it that way. This is kind of random, but we had a lot of packages arrive at the door, and this was one of them. We just started trying out a meal prep service, and so far so good. The food's really good and it's super convenient, especially with the move, and everything's just really chaotic in the house right now. So it's definitely been a lifesaver. It's not sponsored. I thought I would let you guys know, and the brand is called Factor. The next package that I got at my door today was this one from Walmart. These came in a pack of 2 for $30, and I love that worn, modern, organic look. They also have a hole at the bottom, so in case you do want to plant some real flowers or plants in here, you can. Now I guess I need to find some good fall stems to go in here. I'll have the link down below in case you guys want to check it out. Another package that arrived at my door were these really pretty containers that I ordered off of Amazon for $29. They come with 6 labels, and I'm going to be using these for my 3 most used products in our shower, which is our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Here's a little sneak peek at what our pantry is looking like right now. Our lowers and upper cabinets are in. Now we just are waiting on the drawers to be installed and the cabinet fronts and also our sink. I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. My question to you is, what color cabinets do you think we decided on? We're definitely tackling a lot of little projects in this video, jumping from thing to thing, but hopefully it's giving you some motivation to get something done in your house. The next thing we're tackling is the shoe closet downstairs by our garage door. We don't wear shoes in our house, so we always make it a point to have some kind of area where our shoes go. The majority of the shoes in the shoe closet are the kids' shoes. There are times me and Brandon will have a couple pair in here that we wear daily, but for the most part all the kids' shoes go in the shoe closet. But we also store our accessories like hats and gloves and things like that we need to grab before running out the door. I'm going to take everything out and make this closet a little bit more functional using everything that I already have. We're going to be using the same shoe rack that I've had the last couple of years. We got this from Amazon. It's really heavy duty and it holds a ton of shoes.
Are you the same? Yeah. Are you the same? Yeah. I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. You can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, oh. Are you the same?
Now that my shoe rack is in, I'm going to start moving in some other little things that I think will be really helpful in this closet. This little cubicle that I'm putting in there is literally falling apart. We were going to take it to the dump, but I feel like I could use it a little bit longer, so we'll see how long it holds up. And I'm just taking some baskets that I already had laying around the house. I'm using this one for the kids' lunch boxes. The bins that I'm using don't really flow because they're all pretty random. Maybe in the future I'll get some that all go together and look a little bit better in here, but for now we're going to be using what we have.
Right, left, right, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go.
Alright, I'm going to give you guys a little update on our laundry room situation. So we sold the washer and dryer that we had because we saw a new set in Lowe's that we really liked, and we were going to be without a washer and dryer for at least a week and a half. So I washed everything I possibly could because I knew we were going to be without a washer and dryer. They delivered our washer and dryer. We didn't end up liking them because they were a little mismatched even though they were a set. So they went ahead and told us to just use this set until the new set arrives. So I don't have a lot of stuff that I need to wash. So I have this small load of socks, tank tops, and the kids' towels. I didn't wash it all together, but that's what I have to fold. And once I fold all this up and put it away, we're gonna move on to the linen closet.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would.
I'm going to be using these two bins in my linen closet. One will hold my steamer and the other one will hold all of my little guest backup toiletries. Every time I have guests, I always make them a little welcome basket full of toiletries and things that they may have forgotten. The guest box is running super low, so I need to restock all of this stuff. And like I said, I'm getting rid of this polka dot box and putting all of my guest toiletry backup products into my wicker one. I need to make a label for that one and that'll come later on. But for now, I'm just going to give my linen closet this little update and then we're going to move on.
After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to.
All right, we're gonna go in the back patio. I'm gonna give you guys a little look at what's going on right now. We still have all the same furniture from our old house, but I do plan on doing a fall refresh back here and just kind of updating it, refreshing it, getting it ready for fall time because we do love hanging out on our back patio when it's not scorching hot. So I do have some ideas on what I want to do back here to make it a little bit more cozy and ready for fall. You guys will see that whenever that happens. But that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Do anything you want me